To change your messenger password in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to click on the profile picture in the uh, top left corner. When you click on this, you come to this page and you have to scroll all the way down, and then you can see in the account tab you can see the account settings. You have to click on the account settings. When you click on the account settings, you come to this page, and here you can see the security and login. You have to click on the security and login, and when you click on the security and login, here you can see the change password. Here is the option of change password. In the login tab, you have to click on the change password. When you click on the change password, here you can see the in the first tab you have to fill in your current password, and in the second tab you have to fill in your new password that you want to save for your save for your Facebook account, messenger account, and in the third tab you have to retype the new password that you want to save for the messenger account. And so that's it, and after this thing you have to click on the save changes, and your Facebook password is changed. And if you don't have if you forget your Facebook password, then what you have to do is you have to click on the forgotten password, and then email is sent to your an email is sent to your email address, and then there is the reset password link. Then you can reset your password, and you can also change the password. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.